Hello there guys, so it's another video. Today hopefully we'll get a bit closer to getting this panel ready to be installed. So as I said at the end of the last video, I think I'm going to have to just cut some slits in this and sort of bend it up so it meets this panel properly. So yeah, there we go. As of recording this, we're on just over 700 subscribers, and I'm guessing that by the time you actually get to see this will be like 720, 730, something like that. So that is pretty damn cool. I never expected to get quite that many. So yeah, cheers for all the support, guys. Yeah, so let's carry on with this today, shall we? Oh, and for Piper Doug on episode 50's comment, yeah, the date of the recording of this video is the 22nd of June, so let's see when this actually goes live, shall we? Right, let's carry on. Hi guys, don't think I've shown you this little fella before. I say little, like he's nearly as high as the bottom of the windows on the car. This is Diesel. Yeah, don't even think about peeing at my car, buddy. He's the farm dog, just chilling. So yeah, he comes to sail over now and then. He's a bit camera shy, obviously. So yeah, I thought I'd introduce you to him anyway. And it looks like my GoPro battery's dying again, so we'll swap that out and we'll carry on. But yeah, we're getting a bit close to getting this panel in now. We've got it slit along here, bent back, and it's lining up pretty well. There's a bit of a gap there that's going to be fun to weld up, but hey, we'll do what we can do. Yeah, so there's just a few little bits where it needs a little trim now to make it fit perfectly. But few more test fits and we should be ready to clean this back and actually start getting it tacked in. So yeah, I've been really undecided what I'm doing with the bottom of this panel. One minute I'm just thinking, oh, I'll cut this off, change the bottom of the panel. Next I'm thinking, oh, I could save a load of money and do the little repairs. Honestly, I don't trust my skills enough to do the little magnum repairs here so that they'll actually be decent and, you know, invisible to see. And I've actually somehow, I don't know how I did this a few weeks ago anyway, there's a massive dent in there, and I don't know if the magnum panel covers that far across or not. And also all this panel along here is all full of dimples and slightly warped in places from where whoever it was did that repair panel on the boot floor and folded it up on the inside and welded it along this edge inside. You can see all these dots. These are actually where the weld has come through. Yeah, it's just warped that whole panel really. And I know I can get the repair for that. I can get the end repairs, and then all this lip here is going to need repairing. Yeah, I mean, yes, I could save some money, but I don't know that it's going to look right, and I don't know how strong the magnum hinge panels are, because I don't want this whole panel flexing every time I open the boot, because obviously, you know, the magnum panels aren't necessarily as thick and good quality. So yeah, I think I am just going to bite the bullet and just either buy the panel that comes to here, which is like 200 quid, or the other panel which comes up to the bottom of the rear window for all that, which is I think that's an extra 20 quid literally for all that. So I'm probably just going to end up going with that, cut off what I need, and then I can either keep the other bit for another project. I mean, Zippy is ever so slightly starting to go just around the rear window, just a eensy weensy bit there. I think there was a bit somewhere else as well, but I mean, and there's a big dent in it there. We could always, when that's done and we start working on this, we might even be able to use that part of the panel on this car. So yeah, we'll just have to see really. So it might be worth just getting the panel that comes up to the bottom of the rear windows there. So yeah, that's where we're at with it. So yeah, we'll carry on now. Right then guys, so that is it tacked in place now, as you can see. Not too bad, it's actually lining up quite well now. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. So obviously we've got a few big gaps to fill, odd couple of places here and there, where I didn't quite cut it perfectly, but it's better than I thought, to be honest. Like around here especially, I thought there was going to be a huge gap, but it's really not too bad at all. So yeah, obviously just got to be careful getting blow through quite easily. This is very, very thin in places. Well, obviously it's thin metal anyway, but the odd couple of places where it's a little bit pitted where it's thinner than others. So yeah, just got to be careful with that. Keep the power down lowish on the welder. So yeah, I'm done for today now. Let those tacks cool off and we'll be back hopefully tomorrow. But yeah, I have to go home and do bits and bobs now. So yeah, there we go. Pretty happy with today's progress. Finally got this panel tacked in to its final home. So yeah, there we go. So that's it for this one, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Like the video if you enjoyed it, if you're pleased we got this in, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.